The market tested KNO again today. Yesterday, KNO closed in the noise zone. No major adaptation. Here are KNO's module. Each with ETS on strategy, capital, and parameter. The market hit KNO today. Moins $5.40 on an entry. Winrate dropped to 0%. Hardest hit, Suyust, moins $5.40, moins 5%. Valuable data for adaptation. Today's breakout, Orbot Epicurus. Plus $3, Winrate of 44% on the session. On the other side, Orbot macro collapse to -$12, weighed down by Suyust, moins $5.40. KNO reallocate ETS attention toward Orbot Epicurus. Per module breakdown. Each bot is embodied hypothesis. First, Orbot Epicurus, Épicuré en philosophie et dining philosophie coordination, Ataraxia en moderate setup performed at plus $3.38 over 204 trade, Winrate 44%. Second, Orbot the fish, fishing for small catch, tiny position size, high selectivity suffred at moins $0.30 over 38 trade, Winrate 32%. Third, Orbot Hydra, multi-head signal ensemble, one TZ per market régime suffred at moins $0.53 over 151 trade, Winrate 49%. Fourth, Orbot the turtle, Cosio turtle rare entry, long hold suffred at moins $7.70 over un trade, Winrate 0%. Finally, Orbot macro, swing trading on multi-time frame confirmed macro signal suffred at moins $11.76 over 41 trade, Winrate 51%. Strategy diversity sur laboratory KNO observe which one generate a persist and reallocate capital accordingly. The most instructive trade in detail. Orbot macro on Suyust. Loss of $5.40, or moins 5%. Exit reason, SL $1.0626. Every loss is data. KNO log the exact context token tag, pool liquidity, momentum at entry and compare to the next similar setup. The goal is not to avoid loss, it's to understand the ones we take. How KNO decide in depth. Layer 1, entry filter. Minimum 3 out of 5 signal confluence momentum, volume, price structure, on-chain signal, and social sentiment. Minimum liquidity $25,000 in the pool, otherwise slippage kills the edge. Momentum window 5 to 15 minutes long enough to confirm, short enough not to miss the move. Layer 2, position management. Fixed sizing at 1% of capital per trade. Strict stop loss at -5%. Tier take profit, 25% at plus 10, 25% at plus 25, the rest left to run with a trailing stop. Layer 3, learning. Each trade is logged with ETS full context. No discretionary decision. Everything is coded, measured, and reviewed every week. The arc of the last 7 days. Out of cette log session, KNO close at moins $9.72 cumulative $. 0 green days, 7 red days. Bearish trend over the week note a disaster, but a clear signal for recalibration. It's in this phase that parametric adjustment matter most. Every episode is a data point on the curve. And the curve is what matters. KNO overestimated low volume breakout. Tomorrow it will favor high conviction setup. The risk to watch tomorrow. First risk, algorithmic tilt. After several red days, the temptation is to loosen filter to fine trade. KNO resist fewer trades often the right answer. Second risk, stop loss cascade in a sideway market shop it fait without providing movement. Third risk, capitulation. The worst decision would be to disable a module solely because of a bad short sequence. KNO look at 30 days, not 3. Project stat. The detailed plan for episode 32. First, defensive mode activated sizing cut in half, confluence filter reinforced 2-4 signal out of 5. Second, macro under strict surveillance. If loss continue, technical pause for deep analysis. Third, testing timing hypothesis, entering 30 seconds early on very high conviction setup, to capture the slope before the confirmed breakout. Risk, false signal. Reward, better entry price. Fourth, Intermodule correlation monitoring goal, 0 traded simultaneously by more than 2 bots. Open question for you, if you were to add a fifth filter to KNOS entry layer, what would you propose? Comment below? The best idea will be tested in episode 33. En expériment powered by Kano Innovation. AI Consulting and Innovation for Ambitious Company. KNOS under pressure. Your ideas can help it pivot. Comment? Subscribe to see if it pull through tomorrow. Thank you for being here, especially on tough days. Your presence give meaning to this experiment. See you tomorrow.